Good morning, students. Our next topic is benefits of m-commerce. Do you know about what do you mean by m-commerce? M-commerce means mobile commerce. M-commerce means what? Mobile commerce. Mobile commerce. Why we are using m-commerce? What is the purpose behind it? So in e-commerce, if you want to do your business online, if you want to do your business online, then it is known as e-commerce. It is known as e-commerce. E-commerce means what? Electronic commerce. E-commerce means what? Electronic commerce. If you want to do your business online, then it is known as e-commerce, that is electronic commerce. Now I want to do my business online, that is e-commerce. But how can I do it? How can I do my business online? I need some wireless devices. I need wireless devices. I need some gadgets for it, and it is known as m-commerce. Clear? E-commerce and m-commerce. E-commerce and m-commerce means what? E-commerce matlab online business. If you want to do your business online, then it is known as electronic commerce. I want to do my business online, then how can I do it? I need some wireless devices. Which type of devices? Wireless devices, and it is known as mobile commerce, that is m-commerce. Mobile commerce is not considered only mobile. Mind well, mobile commerce only mobile consider નથી કરતું. It consider all the wireless devices, that is laptop, palm top and cell phones. Laptop, palm top and cell phones, all devices are known as mobile commerce, that is m-commerce. Clear? All devices are known as m-commerce, that is mobile commerce. So laptop, palm top and cell phones are known as mobiles. Clear? Laptop, palm top and cell phones are known as mobiles. આપણે જે ફોન યુઝ કરીએ છીએ એને મોબાઈલ નહીં કહેવાય. ઇટ ઇઝ નોન એઝ સેલ ફોન. It is known as cell phone, not mobile. Mobile means what? Laptop, palm top, cell phone, or wireless devices. Which type of devices? Wireless devices are known as mobile. Clear? Mobile means mobility. Mobile means what? Mobility. Mobility means portability. If you want to move from one place to another place with your wireless devices, then you can do it. That's why it is known as mobile. Clear? Mobile commerce means what? If you want to do your business online, then it is known as e-commerce. Now I want to do my business online, so it is known as e-commerce. But how can I do it? How can I do it? I want to do business online, but how can I do it? I need some devices, I need some wireless devices for it, and it is known as m-commerce. And m-commerce means mobile commerce, and mobile devices are laptop, palm top and cell phones. Clear? So all these devices are known as mobiles. All these devices, all these wireless devices, sorry, all these wireless, can you see the word wireless? All these wireless devices are known as mobile commerce. Clear? E-commerce and m-commerce. That's why chapter number 4 e-commerce and chapter number 5 m-commerce આપણા સિલેબસમાં છે. E-commerce and m-commerce. First of all, we have to do business online. Now I want to do business online, but how can I do it? I want to do my business online. I need some gadgets for it. I need some wireless devices for it. And all these wireless devices are known as mobile. That's why the chapter name is m-commerce, mobile commerce. Clear? So we have to see some benefits of m-commerce. We have to see benefits and limitation of m-commerce. કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ હોય એની benefits હોય તો limitation હોય જ. Clear? So we have to first of all we have to see benefits of m-commerce and then limitation of m-commerce. There are four different benefits of m-commerce. First is provide global reach. Provides global reach. It means what? Provide global reach. Mobile devices enable the user to be contact at virtually anytime, anywhere. You can contact with your friends, relatives, or anyone. If you want to contact your relatives out of India, for example, તમારા રિલેટિવ્સ આઉટ ઓફ ઇન્ડિયા રહે છે, તમારે કોન્ટેક્ટ કરવો છે, તો યુ કેન ડુ ઇટ. સો ધ ફર્સ્ટ બેનિફિટ ઓફ એમ કોમર્સ ઇઝ પ્રોવાઇડ ગ્લોબલ રીચ. Provide global reach. It means what? User can contact anyone, any user can contact to anyone, anywhere, anytime. Clear? So first benefit is provide global reach. Second, conduct business 24 by 7. 24 by 7 means what? You can do your business 24 hours 7 days. Clear? You can operate your business 24 hours 24 days 24 hours 7 days. Clear? Number third, reduce transaction time. It means what? It reduce your transaction time, your traveling time. In just a few click on the mobile devices, in just a few clicks on mobile device, તમે એક બે ક્લિક કરો અને તમે you can do online shopping, you can do banking transaction, you can download media file, movie file, you can do booking of, you can do booking railway reservation, you can booking hotel, restaurant. So in just a few clicks you can do it. So it reduce transaction time as well as traveling time. Clear? Number 4, timely information can reach the user. Timely information can reach the user. It means what? The information like flight or ટ્રેન શેડ્યુલ, ફ્લાઇટ કે ટ્રેનનું શેડ્યુલ છે, પછી એ ડિલે થાય, કેન્સલ થાય, flight or train schedule delay or cancellation can be given to the user. જો એ ડિલે થયું યા તો કેન્સલ થયું તેની ઇન્ફોર્મેશન અપડેટ તરત જ આપણને મળી જાય છે. સો all these benefits are important and useful. Clear? You can, if you want to do online payment can be done using mobile devices itself, just the same way as it is done on personal computer. Clear? It means what? You through mobile devices means what? All these wireless devices, mindware, laptop, palm top and cell phone. You can do reservation, you can book movie tickets, you can book flight reservation, flight railway tickets, you can do all your banking transaction, you can do online shopping, you can do net banking. So all these things you can do it by using mobile devices. Now next topic, that is limitation of m-commerce. Limitation of m-commerce means what? Disadvantages of m-commerce. Clear? The first limitation is mobile devices have limited computing power. Mobile devices have limited computing power, memory and storage capacity. Computing power, limited computing power, memory and storage capacity. મોબાઈલ હોય ત્યાં મેઇન ઇશ્યુ સ્ટોરેજ ને મેમરીનો આવે જ, તમને પણ આવતો જ હશે. મેમરી ને સ્ટોરેજ ફૂલ થઈ જાય છે, બરાબર. સો વી નીડ સમ એક્સટર્નલ મેમરી કાર્ડ. Clear? For storage. So first limitation of m-commerce, that is very basic limitation. Mobile device have limited computing power. Computing power means what? આપણે એને ચાર્જ કરવું પડે. મોબાઈલ હોય તો અમુક ટાઈમ પછી ઓફ થઈ જાય, આપણે એને ચાર્જ કરવું પડે. લેપટોપને બી ચાર્જ કરવું પડે, પામટોપને બી ચાર્જ કરવું પડે, બરાબર. ક્લિયર? સો લિમિટેડ કમ્પ્યુટિંગ પાવર, એનો પાવર થોડોક ટાઈમ સુધી જ હોય પછી ચાર્જ કરવું પડે. મેમરી એન્ડ સ્ટોરેજ કેપેસિટી બી ઓછી હોય. ક્લિયર? સેકન્ડ, ઇટ ઓફર્સ અ લિમિટેડ બેન્ડવિથ. It offers a limited bandwidth. It means what? Any speed slow hoy. Limited bandwidth. Bandwidth means any speed slow hoy as compared to wire devices. Clear? It operates over wireless networks which are less secure as compared to wired network. It operates over wireless networks. એ ઓપરેટ કેવી રીતે થાય? વાયરલેસ નેટવર્ક્સ હોય, કેમ કે બધા ડિવાઇસીસ વાયરલેસ છે, વિચ આર લેસ સિક્યોર, એ ઓછું સિક્યોર છે એઝ કમ્પેર ટુ વાયર નેટવર્ક. જે વાયર નેટવર્ક વાળું છે ડેસ્કટોપ, એના કમ્પેરમાં આ બધું ઓછું સિક્યોર છે. વિચ આર લેસ સિક્યોર એઝ કમ્પેર ટુ વાયર નેટવર્ક. ક્લિયર? And fourth, high cost of establishing mobile and wireless broadband infrastructure. It means initial cost. You have to pay something at initial level. High cost of establishing mobile and wireless broadband infrastructure. ઇનિશિયલી તમારે પે કરવું જ પડે. ઇનિશિયલી ખર્ચ થવાનો તમે વાઈફાઈ ઘરે કરાવો તો એનો બી ઇનિશિયલ કોસ્ટ પે કરવો જ પડે. યુ હેવ ટુ પે સમથિંગ એટ ઇનિશિયલ લેવલ. એટ વિચ લેવલ? ઇનિશિયલ લેવલ. એટલે જ કહે છે એસ્ટાબ્લિશિંગ મોબાઈલ એન્ડ વાયરલેસ બ્રોડબેન્ડ ઇન્ફ્રાસ્ટ્રક્ચર. એસ્ટાબ્લિશિંગ ઇટ મીન્સ તમે જ્યારે એને ઇનિશિયલ લેવલ પર ઘરે લાવો છો ત્યારે તમારો ઇનિશિયલ કોસ્ટ થાય, પછી સેટ થઈ જાય, પણ ઇનિશિયલ કોસ્ટ તમારે પે કરવો પડે. Clear? So benefits of m-commerce and limitation of m-commerce. These all are the benefits of m-commerce and these all are the limitation of m-commerce.